Hey Veenu, move the table a bit to the left. Hey Sid, if I'm supposed to stay with you, then we better have a home network and it should be on Wi-Fi.
Hey Tiri, what does he mean by home network?
I thought that you would ask me this question. You remember LAN?
Yes, the local area connection, which connects two or more computers and other devices so that data can be transferred between them.
Yes, precisely. When this LAN is implemented in a home and has not too complex designs, then it is simply a home network.
So when LAN is in a home, it is a home network, right?
Yup.
Now this looks okay. Let's go and get that Wi-Fi router to set it up. Wi-Fi? Yeah, fine. Anyways, you have bought it for me.
And what's this Wi-Fi business that Veenu was talking about?
Well, you remember that LAN is generally connected by using wires and cables?
Of course, I was just stuck in so many.
Well then, Wi-Fi or wireless LAN uses an access point, which is a device which uses radio waves to communicate and transfer data between computers and devices.
But Tiri, how does the device send and receive wireless LAN signals?
For that, Miri, computers have a small adapter or chip in them. This enables the computer to transfer data over Wi-Fi.
Does that mean that all computers can use Wi-Fi?
Well, Miri, that's a bit complicated. See, the older computers don't have Wi-Fi cards as Wi-Fi did not exist then. But then, as Wi-Fi was established, newer and newer technologies of Wi-Fi became available.
Let me guess. As they became better and newer, the range became more and data transfer was more.
Yes. As newer protocols were introduced, like A, B, G and N, the data rate increased from 12 megabits to 300 megabits and range also increased dramatically.
Good! So when we get my tablet computer for my birthday, I will be able to use the internet in here without any wires.